Oh, thumb screws. I was about to, thought I was gonna have to use a screwdriver again. Actually, ooh, that's pretty tight. There we go. Okay. This is the part where it gets fun, because it's been a long time, like I said, since I've built a PC. Power supply. Yep, solid metal. All the ROG stuff is so consistently ROG. Like the ROG phone looks like the ROG monitor, which looks like the ROG power supply, which looks like the ROG graphics cards. I mean, these things are consistent. So as a modular power supply, it of course comes with a box of cables. I'm not going to be using any of these, but it does have your main power cables and all that good stuff, but we're using some cable mod cables, as you already saw. I also just noticed this, just like the ROG phone, there is a screen on this power supply. But the thing about this screen and this case is it's going to be sitting in there blocked by the door, so you're not actually going to be able to see it, but that would just show you, I guess, the amount of watts of power you're drawing